Hello, everybody. Miss Torres shared with me this amazing site called TeacherMade.com, and I wanted to try it out. So I went to the TeacherMade.com website. I set up my own free account, and I verified my account with my email address, and now I'm ready to get started. So this is literally the first time I'm doing this. I'm gonna call this thing, I just went and found some old something that I made a long time ago. I'm just gonna call it mini assessment number 1. And the description is this is this is a sample activity converting an old Word document to a fillable PDF for online use. Now it just says drag and drop file here or click choose. So I have the document down here because I had to download it from my Google Drive. Boom, looks like it's working. All right, and so then I just say choose one or more pages below, pick another file or cancel. So I want to do, oh, I guess they were already selected. I'm going to use both of those. I'm going to create the worksheet, and it's taken this Word document, and now I am going to do something with it. So if I want my students to be able to do like a fillable, I want them to be able to like manually pick which one actually on this document. So I'm going to insert, I guess this is multiple choice, and my thing has ABCD, which is 4 choices. And oh, look at that. I just clicked where I wanted it. I'm going to drag the buttons and make it look a little bit bigger. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. It's so simple. Let me just get this and get it to line up actually next to that. Oh, that is amazing. And now I've just turned it. Okay, so now let me do another one. I'm going to insert another multiple choice with 4 answer choices. And I'm going to put it right here. I'm just going to resize them. Make them line up right next to the questions. Okay, that's cool. This one I want to be free response. This one looks like it may have copied over wrong, but whatever. I can make it a free response. So I'm going to insert a short answer. And I guess I want my short answer to go right here. And then I can do multiple choice. 4 choices again. Well, that was super simple. And now am I done? I guess I'm done. So I don't know what I do next. File. So now I guess I also want to come up with the answer choices in here. So the correct answers, how much would he pay the cab driver? $3 flat rate, 75 cents per mile. I don't really know what the answer is. I'm just going to say $13 is the correct answer. And this one, 1585, 3.9. This is the correct answer. And I can say this one is probably a free response. I don't want to check. And again, I'm just going to guess that these are the right answers. I'm not going to really worry about it because I'm just playing. But then I'm done, and I can just file, close. Now I have this assignment here. Actions, sharing. Oh, no, I can assign the worksheet. Actions, assign worksheet, using their name or ID, using a Google account. We can post the assignment. Pretty cool.